Deep within the intricate pathways of our bodies, blood flows with purpose. It carries oxygen, heals wounds, fuels every heartbeat. But sometimes the journey of blood is interrupted. And when that interruption happens in the lungs, it can be life-threatening. This is the story of pulmonary embolism. Pulmonary embolism, or PE, happens when a blood clot travels through the bloodstream and lodges in one of the arteries of the lungs. It blocks blood flow, and depending on its size and location, it can silently become dangerous or deadly. Most often, these clots begin in deep veins of the legs or pelvis, a condition called deep vein thrombosis. As the clot breaks loose, it rides the bloodstream like a ticking time bomb, making its way through the heart and into the lungs, where it gets stuck. But what causes these clots to form? Prolonged immobility, surgery, smoking, certain cancers, hormonal therapy, pregnancy, genetic clotting disorders. Each one can tilt the body's balance toward forming dangerous clots. Then come the signs: sudden shortness of breath, chest pain that worsens with breathing, a rapid or irregular heartbeat, coughing, sometimes with blood, dizziness or fainting, subtle or severe. These symptoms can be hard to read. When pulmonary embolism is suspected, time is everything. Doctors may start with a D-dimer test. If levels are elevated, a CT pulmonary angiogram often confirms the diagnosis. Treatment begins immediately, often with anticoagulants or blood thinners. The most commonly used is heparin. If the clot is massive and life-threatening, clot-dissolving medications called thrombolytics are used. These include alteplase TPA, delivered through a vein or sometimes directly to the clot using a catheter. For patients who can't take blood thinners, a vena cava filter might be placed to catch clots before they reach the lungs. Recovery depends on early diagnosis, the size of the clot, and your overall health. Most patients continue anticoagulants for 3 to 6 months, or longer if the risk of clotting remains. Pulmonary embolism is serious, but treatable. Thanks to modern medicine, what once meant sudden death now means urgent care, effective treatment, and a path to recovery. If this video helped you understand pulmonary embolism better, hit like, subscribe, and share.